Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this new episode. As you all asked for the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 tips and tricks, so here it is. Now in this video I'm gonna show you 10 most usable tips and tricks that you can use with your smartphone, so let's get started. Press and hold the home screen to get the settings option, and here you will find the notification dots, add icons to the home screen option, and also allow the home screen rotation. If you love reading on a smartphone, then this feature will definitely help you. Going to the display section, you will find the night light option. Now the night light option is what you get the reading mode on every smartphones, but here it is automatically turned on at night, and you can also schedule that from your smartphone and also change the intensity to not strain your eyes. If you love watching movies on a bigger display, so you can cast your smartphone screen into the wireless display. So also here's the option in the settings menu, and also if you have a wireless printer on your home, then you can also connect that printer with this device and directly print anything with the smartphone. If you ever used cloud storage, so here on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, you will find 100GB free storage on the Google Drive. So you can log into your account and get this 100GB free cloud storage. If you love to pay with your smartphone, then you will find the Go to Pay application pre-installed on this device, which will help you to send and request money from your family and friend, and also you can recharge the DTH, data card, and also your mobile data. So that's how the applications runs in this device and already pre-installed. So guys, now most of the Android devices comes with the gesture setting. So here with the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, you will also find the gesture setting as the name of Gen Motion. Double tap to wake up, double tap to turn off the screen, swipe to wake up the screen, and also adding some letter from the home screen to jump into some applications. So as you can see, this is pretty easy to do, and the Gen Motion, which you know as the gesture, so this is not a new thing. We already seen this before on many smartphones which are Android. So guys, that's what you all get with the Gen Motion or the gesture setting on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. And if you want to capture a quick snap from the camera, you only have to double tap the power button. It will allow the access to the camera and you can quickly capture a snap. So that's how you can quickly access. So guys, switching between apps on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is really easy. If you are running on 2 or 3 applications, you only have to double tap the multitasking key and it will take you directly to the other applications. If you don't want all of your friends to see your notifications, so you only have to go into the settings, go into the app and notification, and you can turn off or hide the sensitive notification content from each and every applications, which are maybe the WhatsApp, Facebook and all. And also you only have to go to the security and lock screen option. There you will find the on lock screen. There you can contain the hide sensitive notifications that your friend not will be allowed to see these. So guys, that's how you can maintain the privacy. So guys, the best thing about the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is the stock Android experience. You don't even get any bloatware on this device, and also you can edit the notification tray as you do with the stock Android devices like the Motorola and the Google Pixel devices, and you also find the 3D touch feature like you find on the Google stock Android devices. So that's how you get the user experience in much lower price with the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. If you use 2 applications at a time, so you can do that with this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 easily. You only have to drag the applications to the top, and there you will get the multi-window where you can watch videos and also run other applications on the other side. So the multi-window is running smoothly as there is the Snapdragon 636. So guys, also one thing to notice here, that whenever you turn and off the screen of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, it will give you some sound. Just listen up. Don't you think this is really good? You get this sound effect whenever you touch. Also you can turn it down and also you can turn it off. So I just want to mention this thing in this video. So guys, these are the 10 most interesting features you will find on the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. And if you end up liking this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Even you can follow me on Facebook for more tech updates. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for upcoming camera comparisons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.